English alphabets. A for ant. B for beaver. C for cat. D for dog. A for elephant. F for flamingo. G for goat. H for horse. I for iguana. J for jellyfish. K for koala. L for lion. M for monkey. N for narwhal. O for owl. P for penguin. Q for quail. R for rooster. S for shark. T for turtle. U for unicorn. V for vampire bat. W for whale. X for xenurus. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun learning adventures.